Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to download ManyCam.com. This right here. Okay, so let's go to Google Chrome and let's type ManyCam.com. It should just pop up, and then just go and download ManyCam. Then you guys should see this. It's a free one. Just download it. It shouldn't take that long. So yeah, go ahead and just click on this one. Let's close this. When the processing gets done, just come here and open it. Open your ManyCam, wherever is it. Then you should see this. Okay, if you guys want to prank someone or do anything, just like, let's say prank someone on Omegle or whatever. So you should come here, go on YouTube URL. Then you should go to YouTube. I got it right here. And press, let's say, online cam. And I wanna get this cam. So let's come on top, take the link, copy it, go back to ManyCam.com, paste it, and you should be good to go. Like you guys could see, it's right over here. So you should be good from here. And yeah, thanks guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.